Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the HZXVOGEN 140A MIG Welder. The HZXVOGEN 140A MIG Welder is a versatile and compact welding solution designed to meet the needs of hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals looking for a portable yet powerful welding machine. This 3-in-1 welder combines flux core MIG, MMA, and lift TIG capabilities with an optional TIG torch, delivering up to 140A output while supporting both 110-volt and 220-volt power sources. It works efficiently on carbon steel, stainless steel, and thicker steel crates, making it ideal for home projects, farm repairs, and outdoors maintenance. Users will appreciate the precision control offered by the digital display, which provides an intuitive interface for adjusting settings. The synergistic control system automatically matches wire feed speed with the selected wire diameter, saving time and reduce errors, a feature that is particularly helpful for beginners or those performing quick fixes around the house. Safety and mobility are prioritized in the HZXVOGEN 140A, with built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating, ensuring it reliable and long-lasting operation. Despite its powerful, the welder is lightweight and compact, weighing only 7.7 pounds, making it easy to transport and store in tight spaces or truck beds. The welder comes equipped with all essential accessories, including MIG torch, welding wire, earth clamp, electrode holder, welding rod, adapter, and brush hammer, so users can start welding right out of the box. Its robust ABS and metal construction adds durability without sacrificing portability. Overall, the HZXVOGEN 140A MIG Welder is a powerful, portable, and user-friendly welding solution. Its combining of precision controls, multiple welding functions, and safety features making it a standout tool for anyone looking to handle welding projects efficiently, whether at home, on a farm, or at an outdoor site. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.